So guys, we have also implemented streams and ChatGPT and our chat application. So let me give you an example. Okay, see, that's how it's coming. Okay, one by one, each word is coming one by one. And let me give one more example. Explain more. See, it's coming one by one. So see, uh, earlier when we implemented it, it used to come in a cluster, okay, at once. So the whole chat used to come at once, and then we were displaying it. Now we are streaming it, okay, just like a video or an audio. Okay, we are streaming a text. We have included stream equals to true key over here with this API. Okay, this is the ChatGPT's API. Now in the backend, in the core logic, we have not done much of the changes. We had these three lines we have replaced with this uh, kind of loop. Okay. So as of now, we are receiving some iterators from this API. Okay, from this function, we are just saving iterators, not promise now. Okay, and from those iterators, we are uh, having a loop. We are looping through those iterators, and we are also awaiting. We are waiting for each and every single iterator to come and then resolve it. How we are resolving it is that we are kind of making the data. This is just custom logic, and here I'm just sending that specific resolved iterator to the backend, to the front end. Sorry. Okay. So this is the only change that I've done. I won't be showing you the front end code since it is a little bit complex and that is not also relevant to you. But this is just we have done. So instead of promises, we are receiving iterators from this API, and all we had to do is use stream equals to true. Now there is one more problem that I would like to talk about is that when we use this application, right? When we use ChatGPT, we have since we have integrated it, it does not keep records of the historical chats. So I was also kind of going through some documentation where uh, m- like many people are facing this problem that we don't have a memory which keep track of every single uh, question or answer, uh, previous question and answer. Like every single question will be independent. But here, see, here I've asked what question did I ask earlier. It knows that what question I asked earlier, right? But when I do the same in my application using API, it won't work. So this is kind of a problem that I'm facing, and I'm also trying to find one solution to it. But yeah, as soon as it comes, I'll see how it can be done. Also, you can comment down if there is any solution that I can try. Great, thank you.